Good morning this Monday, the 30th of January. I'm Grady Wall for Market Analysts with Bell Direct. Well, the local market ended the week 0.8% higher on Friday after gaining 0.34% on the last trading session of the week, buoyed by a rally for consumer staples and information technology stocks. Energy stocks were sharply sold off on Friday, with the sector closing the day down 1.84% at the end of the session amid growing uncertainty from global recession fears and geopolitical tensions. The winning stocks from Friday's session were led by Megaport, jumping 7.22%, while Liontown Resources added 5.2% and Karoon Energy rose 4.3%. On the losing end of the market on Friday, New Hope Corporation tumbled over 9%, Whitehaven Coal lost 6.64% and Regis Resources fell over 4.8%. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were Pilbara Minerals, Lithium and Bank of Queensland. Over in the US on Friday, stocks rallied to end the week higher, boosted by growth sectors like technology, as investor fears of the Fed continuing its aggressive rate hike stance begin to ease on the back of favourable economic data released on Friday, including personal spending in the US falling by 0.2% for the second consecutive month in December. The week ahead is a big week on the reporting season front for big tech companies like Meta, Alphabet and Apple. Following a turbulent year for beaten-down technology stocks last year, investors are hoping for growth outlook this reporting season from the big tech giants, especially in the wake of mass layoffs from companies like Google in recent weeks. The Nasdaq ended almost 1% higher on Friday, while the Dow Jones rose 0.08% and the S&P 500 jumped 0.25%. In Europe, markets closed marginally higher on Friday after US economic data out on Thursday came in stronger than expected, with the US economy expanding by 2.9% year-on-year during the fourth quarter, which beat expectations and enhanced recession fears. Germany's DAX rose 0.11%, the French CAC added 0.02%, and the FTSE 100 in the UK rose just 0.05%. Ahead of the local trading session, the SPI futures are anticipating the local market to open 0.16% higher to start the new trading week. On the economic data front today, there's no local economic data out today. However, investors will be awaiting the release of preliminary retail sales data for December in Australia, which is out tomorrow. Taking a look at commodities, oil is trading down 1.64% at $79.68 a barrel. Gold is down 0.05% at $1,927 an ounce, and iron ore is trading flat at $124.5 a tonne. The Australian dollar is buying 71 US cents, 92.12 Japanese yen, 57.76 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Lake Resources following the formation of a pattern over a period of 21 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 82 cents to the range of 98 cents to $1.02, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on New Farm following the formation of a pattern over a period of 7 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $5.93 to the range of $5.58 to $5.64, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Monday and happy investing.